Hi, how y'all doing today? I'm doing a very short video in order to show new traders how they should be trading. In terms of size, they should be trading with small size. We're talking 100 shares every position, 200 shares every position, nothing major. I didn't go above 250 shares today just to be able to show this video. Um, it was pretty difficult to do that, but I did it. For all you're concerned, this is a demo video, with fake money, paper money, whatever you want, real money. It doesn't matter to you what I'm doing, whether it's real money, not real money. So what matters is that it's the right thing. So here you go. This is what you gotta do as a day trader. So we're looking over here. I was starting to look at the day. Today is March 14th. We had the bank crisis, banks started to collapse. Um, SVD and, tons of banks I'm looking at, they were regional banks. I started searching. SIVB, was one that collapsed. I started searching all the regional bank sectors, and that's what I've been trading the last couple of days because you trade what's hot and you also trade what you know. So I was looking at the diamonds over here, Dow Jones, at the SPY, SPY, and the QQQ. And the Dow was a leading indicator the whole entire day, still is. And then the SPY were following him, the Qs were lagging. There were times that the Qs were trying to lead the way. So what I did was I saw the Dow was breaking its uptrend over here, and so was the SPY. So right away, as soon as that happened, I shorted at this point right here. Same thing happened with the Qs, Qs broke down, it came back up. I started shorting right around here. Still short on the Qs. And I'm going to walk you through on these type of positions, how traders should be trading. So I'm going to change the screen for you. Screen number one. And so first position I did was I took a short on the Qs, which you saw at 297.07. I decided to take some options, whatever it was, very little, one, two, on certain stocks, which commercial real estate stocks. We'll see what happens with these. Then I started shorting the SPY. Shorted the SPY, 100 shares, 392, 40. Then I bought it back, 391.76. Made a couple of dollars there. Started shorting FRC. Show you FRC and what happened that I went into FRC. So here's FRC. The market was just collapsing, and I saw a resistance level right here around this area of FRC, another resistance level right here on FRC, and the market wasn't really going up. I kept on looking at the KRE, which is a sector. It wasn't really going up. It kept on coming down. I said, this stock, this FRC stock, take a look at it. It came up all the way from $20, right, yesterday. I should try to take a short on it. Took a short, just 100 shares, simple day trade, shorted it, 48.61. Yep. Then I decided short the SPY again, 392.31. Took again profit, 391.91. Bought some Qs back, 295.76. It's about a dollar, what is this, $1.20 profit. Then I started buying back some FRC. I mean, this FRC tanked, right? So we're looking at, I saw it right around $48, started falling. Started taking some profits on this FRC. So you get some profit on that, 50 shares, waiting a little more, took another 50 shares. Then I started shorting Key. Stock's price pretty low, $12. So I allowed myself to go a little higher, 250 shares. So if you are trading a small price stock, you could trade a little more, but if it's very volatile, so be careful. And here we go. Key is tanking, falling right now. I see it's at 1237, so I'll take you to that. There's my graph for Key. Here we are. You could see why I shorted Key probably for my graph. So I had a downward sloping trend line all day and a support. I'll enlarge that for you. I had a downward sloping day and a support right here, and it just didn't look like things were going up. So as soon as it broke that support, I was just waiting and waiting. I kind of missed it, and then it came back up. So as soon as it came back up, I was like, okay, I'm just going to take my little position here, this resistance area. If I look back, this was supposed to be a support area, right? Because this was the high of yesterday. We're trying to support the high of yesterday, and we didn't. So as soon as we didn't support the high from yesterday, started coming in. The stock got some resistance here. I started shorting it, and lo and behold, it's going down. So that's my key position. Let's move on, see what else we got here. After key, I took EWBC, took a short of 56.77, EWBC, another bank stock. Here we are. So I took it right around here. The stock was, why did I take it? There we go. Same reason. It was on the high. Yesterday's high was today's low. And we were kind of breaking that. We were going a little bit lower, supporting it there, supporting that. But the market was falling and the stock didn't look strong. And the market started falling. My Qs fell, my SPYs fell, my KRE, the sector was falling. So I took a short EWBC as well at somewhere around 56.77. Then I took some USB I see over here, 200 shares shorts on USB. Where are you, USB? Here's USB Bank Corp, right? So took some shorts on USB, 37.54, right around here. Took these shorts, I think, right around somewhere around here, 37.54. It was an upward sloping trend line that I had, from the morning fall, came in 39, 30, and it looked to me like like a bear flag in a way. I could draw you the bear flag, whatever it is, but you could kind of see a flag over here, it's a bear flag. And as soon as it broke it and it was hovering in this area, so I just shorted it, took some profit on that as well, USB. So I was just watching all the regional stocks, right? I think I took a loss today. One loss I had today. I had a loss in Zion. Took $50 loss in Zion. I shorted it at 30.03 because FRC and Wall and Zion have been kind of trading the same way. I shorted FRC and it fell. Zion also fell. It came down up here to around 30, and I expected to go back down to 28 because both FRC and Wall started falling again, even lower. I'll show you this. So here you go. Here's Wall. You see Wall fell in, then came back up, then fell again. And the same thing happened with FRC. You see it fell, came back up, then fell again. I figured Zion would give me the same thing. I didn't want to take two, but it didn't fall. As soon as it didn't fall, I realized I should just put a small stop loss. I should have even put a smaller stop loss, 25.6 cents. But I gave it about, I gave about 51 cents, which was probably a bad mistake, but it was the only mistake I did today. And I still have some key. So, realize gains and losses. How much could you make trading 100 shares? If you're some of these shares, stocks are $12, some of them are $50. I didn't trade any $100 stocks here, right? So, yeah, the SPY and the Q. But so here's my one loss on Zion, for $50, but made 300, what is it, 600, 700, $800 on FRC. Key, I made 19. I'm still up on whatever I have left in Key. Q65. SPY, I made another $100. USB, another $30. So, you could make like anywhere from, what is this today? Close to $1,000 here today, around $1,000. And you can make somewhere around $200 all the way to $1,000 any day trading 100 shares. And that's for a starting trader, that's not a bad place to go. So you're here with Gal Levy. I hope you enjoyed this little lesson of how a beginner trader should be trading. There's a lot more involved to this, and hope to see you in one of my rooms, and hope you enjoyed this little class we had here. Have a great day.